Wala, wala pa.
So I'm with nervous back in the day. Still not quite sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. Seeing this box is a rainbow artist. She's my everything, and all that I know is please that you leave here for me. We were on the same side. 'Cause very soon I'm hoping that I can marry your daughter and make her my wife. And what would it be if the guy that I love for the rest of my life? Living the best week for the days that I buy. Yeah. And then I'll marry a princess and make her my queen. She's the most beautiful I've ever seen. Can't wait to smile when she walks down the aisle on the arm of her father. And the day that I marry your daughter.
Tapos na. Wait lang po. Meron naman siya ako nasipo ko na. Upload ko ba yung walang iba?
Walang ibang ano.
Oo, meron. Yung, at kahit na sinasaktan mo ako. Alam mo yon? Abisado mo na ka dahil sa akin. Wala, naka-video pa! Ang pakapangit na mukha. Game.
Ilang beses nang nag-away, hanggang sa magkasakitan, di na alam ang pinagmulan. Pati maliliit na bagay, wala na bang uusapan, bigla na lang pinag-aawayan. Ngunit kahit na ganito, madalas na di tayo magkasundo. Ikaw na gusto kong makapiling sa buong buhay ko. Kahit na binabato ako ng tinanong mo, ikaw pa rin ang gusto mo. Kahit na sinasampan mo.
La, yun lang. Ang ganda-ganda ng kanta ko, tapos ganun lang.
Ikaw pa rin.